When devices break, learning stops. That's why districts need a smarter approach to managing devices from day one through break fix and beyond. Here are 3 ways CDW DeviceCycle can help. First, CDW DeviceCycle gets devices to schools ready to use, so teams can spend less time on logistics and more time supporting students and staff. Second, districts can create a ticket, ship a device, and track its status through the process. Repair paths can flex to fit their budget, coverage, and fleet needs. Third, districts can track fleet performance and repair analytics to spot patterns, reduce repeat breakage, and make smarter decisions about future purchasing. CDW DeviceCycle simplifies device management, reduces district effort, and keeps devices in students' hands. Amazing happens when students get back to learning faster.